Oh, hello there. Why do you guys come here? This should be good. My hair is a bit messy, so let me put on the beanie. I love so much, and you guys know so much about this beanie. Welcome back. This is Master. You're watching KGC. The people among you who follow our Instagram already got a sneak peek into the two upcoming builds. Yes, you heard it right, 2 builds. I have spent the last 2 days building the 2 PCs and recording all the footage. Today I'll be showing you the PC I built first, which is this PC right here, if you can see it. This video will have 3 sections. First I'll show you the parts we chose for the build. Then I'll show you the montage of building the PC. And at last, I'll show you how the PC looks when it's up and running. Without further ado, let's take a look at the parts we chose for the build. For this build, we decided to go with the Ryzen 5 5600X, which is a 6-core 12-thread CPU. The better option would have been the 12600K by Intel, but the price difference, at least in India, is $120 right now, and we had a budget we could not exceed. The motherboard we went with is the AORUS P550 Pro V2, which is a full ATX motherboard with support for PCIe 4.0 Gen 4 SSD and support for DDR4 XMP up to 5400 MHz. Pre-installed IOShield make the installation easy and quick. We are using 2 XPGT 60G 8GB 3200 MHz memory modules. We found a great deal on those RAMs, and the person I'm building this PC for liked how those modules look. For the storage, we'll be using a 500GB WD Blue SN550 NVMe SSD, which is Gen 3 with sequential read speed of 2400 Mbps and sequential write performance of 1750 Mbps. The 5600X is going to be cooled by Deepcool Castle 240EX ARGB, which delivers fantastic RGB lighting with 2 Deepcool CF120 ARGB fans and the iconic infinity mirror on the block. The 240mm radiator should go well with the case we are using. The power supply unit we decide to go with is the Deepcool DQ750M V2L, fully modular 750W 80+ gold rated power supply featuring 100% Japanese capacitors. Easy to manage cables because of its fully modular design, and flat cables to give your PC a clean look. This PC will be running his old Gigabyte Radeon RX 570 with 4GB of memory. I don't think he would be upgrading his GPU, and based on what he has told me, he'll be playing Free Fire on it. And the RX 570 should be more than enough to handle it. The case we went with is the LANCOOL 2 Mesh RGB. I love this case, and this was my first time building in this case. You'll see how good it looks at the end. We decided to throw in an extra Cooler Master 120mm exhaust fan at the rear. That was everything we are going to use for the build. Now comes my favorite part. Let's start the build montage. the PC turned on with the first press of the power button, which is always a relief no matter how many times you build the PC. Now before I show you how the PC looks like, let me tell you guys, if you're interested in building a PC or using any of the components used in the build, there will be Amazon affiliate links in the description. If you like your item and you find a good price on Amazon, you can use the links below to purchase the item. It will help the channel out. Thank you for watching. You guys enjoy the build. I'll see you guys next time.